Hi, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Jackson here. So let me start by asking a simple question. Now, what if you had a system that could double your money every after a month, right? Okay, so let's say you invest $10 and by the end of 30 days, you have $25, right? So $25 as your ROI, return on investment, plus your $10 initial investment, and you're up $35. I mean, this is the minimum I know that you can start with, right? But now, what if you invest maybe $50? Sorry, $50, and by the end of your 30 days, you have $60, right? Is that bad? So 60 plus your 50, you have $110, right? So is that bad? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how it's achievable and how you can invest for double return, right, in a month. Actually, more than double return. It could be about 110 110% ROI. That means return on investment. And I'm going to show you how it works on my calculator right here. So let me show you by the calculator how the thing works. So let's say you start investing today with $10, and with your $10, you're getting maybe 4% returns, right? So that means in each day, you'll be getting 4 cents, right? Now, is 4 cents bad? Maybe it would be bad, but remember, you just started investing with $10. So if you want higher returns, then you could invest a lot more money, right? So you're getting 4 cents times 30 days, you will have $12, right? So $12, you started investing with $10. So at the end of 30 days, you add your $10, so you have $22. Now, is that bad? Honestly, it's not bad because you started investing with $10, right? So if you invest maybe 100, let me just get rid of this. So if you invest $100, so $100, and you're getting 4% still. Let's stick to 4%, but you can get 6%, you can get 5%, depending on the way that you choose to invest. So with 100%, you're getting 4% each day. That means each day you'll be getting $4. So $4 times 30 days, you will have your $120. So $120 plus your initial investment of $100, that gives you $220. You get? So is that bad? Again, it's not bad, because at least you're getting some good returns and you invested some good money. So same thing, different way. Now in this video, let me show you how it's achievable with this new USDT site that has been launched recently, and I realize it's worth putting some money, right? So I started investing in a couple of days ago, so I'm going to show you my portfolio in a while. So when you head over to your Google Chrome, I have the link that I'll put in the video description that you can use, and it will take you directly to this website. So now when you head over to Google and type Polestar Capital, right? So hit search. Okay, and then you will choose this first website that comes in. So now I've put the link in the video description that you can use, that will take you directly to this page, right? So when you hit on this first website, www.polestarcapital.com, okay, so that link should open for you the homepage of Star Capital. So this is the company, Polestar Capital, and this is how the homepage actually looks like. So this is the simple calculator right here that can give you an estimate of how much you can earn depending on the investment plan that you choose. So when you, for example, put in $100 and you select the plan right here, select daily, and start calculating, right? So you will see that with $100, you will be getting 4 USDT every day, 4 USD, every day for 30 days, right here, every day for 30 days, and capital back, yes. So you'll be having 120 after 30 days plus your $100 dollar investment, giving you $220, right? So pretty much you can go ahead and play with this calculator depending on the investment plan. They have capping, comb, and daily. So daily pays you 4%, and combo pays something like 5%, and capping 6%. So, and I'm going to show you that in a while. So when you keep scrolling down, you can find the about page right here, and why you should choose some blah blah. So pretty much of the information, and here are the investment plans that you can select on. So you can see this plan of daily can pay you 4%. And actually the minimum investment is $10, so you can start as little as $10, right? So, and the maximum is $10,000. So you invest this for 30 days, and capital back is guaranteed, right? So, okay, so you keep scrolling down, you have the another plan, which is combo, and combo will pay you 6% every day as well. So minimum is 20,000 USD. So the minimum is $20,000 and the maximum is 100,000 US dollars. So for 30 days, and capital, yes, can be back. So then there is also this one that pays 5%, which is capping every day, and the minimum is 110,000, maximum is 1 million USDT. So and this one will pay you for 60 days, capital back. Yes, so I guess you may not invest in all these plans, but just take it simple and go for your daily 4%, because at least the minimum investment is affordable, just $10. You can invest 10, you can invest 20, you can invest 30, you can invest 50, depending on how much you want to put in and how much returns that you want to get from. So if you want to get started, just get over this button right here, get started, this button. So when you get started, they will bring you this window where you can choose the investment plan that you want to go with. So just scroll down, go to your 4% and click on invest now. So when you go to invest now, it should bring you to this page. Now, when you use the link that I've put down in the description, it will take you to the page where you can create your account as well. So when it brings you to this page of login, remember, if you are a new user and you don't have an account, just head over to register right here. So when you hit register, it should bring you to this page where you can create your account, right? So you have to put your first name right here, your last name, your username. So you put your phone number right here, put your email, and put your password here. So after putting your password the first time, confirm your password, agree to terms of privacy, and hit register button. So after registering, it should show you a success message, and it should take you to the login page where you can pretty much log in to your account dashboard. So I already have an account with this, so I'm going to go ahead and log in right here. Okay, so right now I've just logged into my account dashboard, and when you are in, this is how the dashboard actually looks like. So here you'll have your account balance, you'll have your total withdrawals, your total deposits right here, and here you have your total investment plan. So this is how you will see the plan that you're investing in, and currently the amount that is invested. So pretty much here I will show you basically your account details, right? So for example, you can see I am running a $50 investment, and for a couple of days that I've been in, because at least with 4% I'm getting $2 every day, right? So this is maybe about 5 or 6 days been investing, and my balance, you can see my earnings are about $12, and I know that by the end of 30 days I will have my $60 plus $50, and that will be $110. So this is going to be after a month, right? So now when you continue scrolling down right here, you can find your referral code. And actually, I understand these guys also have the referral program. So when you want to refer it to a friend or a family or whoever that want to sign up below you, so you can just hit on the copy button right here, and the whole link will be copied to your clipboard, right? So let me now show you how much you need to withdraw and how much these people can charge you for that. So when we go back to the homepage, let's go back to the homepage right here. Okay, so when we go back to the homepage right here, I want to show you something about withdrawals here. So they said there are high maximum limits, but the minimum withdrawal amount is only $3. So while the maximum withdrawal is, I think, is that 1 million or 10 million? Okay, whichever. So, and here when you continue scrolling down, you can find a few of FAQ, right? Where can I deposit or withdraw my funds? How do I check my account balance? How much can I withdraw? And right down here, it will give you the information about the referral program right here. So you can see for your first the direct invites, you'll get 5% commission, and second level invites, you'll get 3% commission, and third level invites, you get 2%, and fourth level invites, you get 1% in commission. So that is it, guys. If you want to sign up on this website and start earning today, I have the link that I'll put down in the description. So that is it, guys. Follow me along in the next part of this video where I will be doing a live withdrawal, see how long the money takes to arrive on your account, and is it paying or is not paying. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and follow me along in the part of this video where I'll be doing a live withdrawal for you guys to see whether this platform is paying or not paying, and if it's paying, how long does it take for you to receive your money on your account. So that's it, guys. I sign out. Take care. Bye bye.